So in this video we'll see a sample of a PPDT story which we are supposed to write at SSB interview. I'll not go into many details of PPDT. It is conducted on the first day of SSB interview test. A picture like this is shown for 30 seconds. After seeing this picture, you're supposed to write a card like this. So here you have to write your name, then your batch number, chest number, roll number, etc. Thereafter you have to write the characters, what characters you are seeing, their age, sex and mood. In this picture you have seen there's one person who is leading, who is slightly aged, and there are three people who are following. So the person who is leading has been taken as a central character, and others are the part of it. So this is how you can write M30 and his mood is positive. In case if his mood is not good, he is shouting or having some negative expression, then you write his mood is negative like this. And in case you find that he is just not having any expressions and all, then just write neutral, mood is neutral or 0. So this is how you are supposed to write this card. Thereafter, this action, what you see in the picture, that is very important actually. I am just showing you picture again. So here you have to write the action. That a group of people, they are passing through some hazy area, jungle area, and they are doing something. So doing what? There is a road kind of thing shown here. As I am seeing, you may be seeing something else. This is my perception, picture perception, my perception. And they are lifting something. So I am writing action as road clearing. So this is very important. You have to fill this card very properly and very carefully. And once you write action here, then actually this is the theme of your story you're writing. And to do all this, you get 1 minute's time. That means to see the picture you get 30 seconds. Thereafter picture is not shown actually. So whatever you see during 30 seconds, you have to memorize that, and then you have to write this card very carefully. That is why so much time is given, 1 minute's time. So after writing this card, you're supposed to write the story. So I am showing picture again, but in actual this picture will not be shown like this. So just see what I am seeing. I'll explain you. There is a person here. There are three people here. He is lifting something. He is also showing something. He is giving some signal. He is just watching something or giving some directions. This is my observation. You may be having some other observation, because I shown this picture to two people. So one of them was of the views that they are doing some construction work, but this construction work actually doesn't fit in the theme. You have to relate the actions with the background. Other person told me that they are actually trying to clear the road or something. So that actually is more fitting. So for story writing, you get 4 minutes time, but picture is shown only for 30 seconds. Now divide the story in 3 parts. Your past, that what has happened in past that must have brought them to this particular stage. So let's see that quickly. The topic of the story is road clearing. This is the subject. Indrajit and his 3 friends, Raju, Anthony and Imran, went out for hiking. It was a holiday and weather was cloudy. They enjoyed nature walk and pleasant weather. After reaching picnic point, they had their lunch. After lunch, they played dish throw game and Antakshari for a while. Then they decided to go back home and prepare for next day. So as per me, this background actually is logical, because in a jungle kind of place, 3 people walking midst of rain and all can give you this hint only that they went out, must have gone for a picnic or something. Present. While going back, it started raining. This is what the present scenario in the picture. While going back, it started raining. They all enjoyed the chilled raindrops. They suddenly found that a narrow stretch of road crossing over a water stream was blocked due to fallen trees and stones which came with water. It was getting dark and they were in a hurry to go back homes. But roadblock would have caused serious accident for those crossing road at night in their vehicles, as there was a deep ditch full of water aside the road. There was also danger of wild animals at night. So this is the present situation. So again, part of present situation, Indrajit told his friends about his thought and perceived danger. So they tried to calling nearby forest guards, but they did not have any resources immediately. They tried to gather few passerby, but it was of no help. So they decided to remove whatever they could remove, like stones, trees, etc. After a bit of effort of about 45 minutes, they could fairly clear the road. So this is what my thought process is. You can think of some other story, but whatever story you think, you have to justify during discussion. So now coming over to the conclusion. So we have seen that past situation. We imagined the past situation. Then we connected past situation with the present scene which was shown in the picture. And now we are coming to the conclusion. So to caution, after clearing the road, to caution the passerby at night, they had few shiny discs which were hung on both sides of the road, which would shine at night when vehicles headlight fall over them. They also informed few villagers passing through that route about the danger and requested them to spread the word to the people who are in surrounding area to be cautious while crossing the road. And Indrajit and his friends were very satisfied and they returned back to their homes safely. So this has concluded the story. Now remember that you get total 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And in actual story writing, you don't have to write past, present and future. You just write 3 paragraphs: background, which has led to present situation in the picture, and how the picture must have concluded. And conclusion should be good and positive. And a story should be related to a good and a positive activity rather than robbery or some other thing. So now on this picture, likely discussion points, because after picture is shown and results, then candidates are made to sit in a semicircle and each one is required to speak their story for 1 minute, and thereafter discussion goes on for about 20-25 minutes. So what are discussion points possible? Somebody might differ that they were clearing the road. They might be doing some construction work. Then next one is, why did Indrajit was not working at the scene? If it was, if he perceived the danger, then why he was not working? then how did they get the dish which would shine at night? What was the necessity of clearing road when local people who frequent the area are already aware of this problem? It looks that they are searching for something. So these are the possible discussion points, and there could be many more. But the point at issue is that remember, you have to write a positive story. Then more than writing a good story, try to justify your story and convince others to accept your story as final version. And remember that discussions are very heated in nature, so maintain a decent language and temper. And in case your story is not so good, accept others' story, but actively participate in the discussion. So with this, I end this video, and thank you all.